Are you wondering how to set up recurring tasks in Monday.com? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to make sure your team never misses a task by automating it. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll not only master recurring tasks in Monday.com, but also learn about some powerful alternatives that might even be a better fit for your needs. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open the board where you want to set up your recurring tasks. You can either create a new board or use an existing one. Once you're on the board, click the plus add button at the top left of your screen to create a new task or select an existing one that you want to turn into a recurring task. Next, look for the date column. You'll need to assign the task a start date if you haven't done so already. This is important because recurring tasks are based on dates, and without a set start, there's nothing to loop back from. After assigning a start date, click on the task and then look for the automation button at the top of the task details. This is where the magic happens. The fourth thing is setting up the actual automation. Monday.com offers an automate option that includes several recurring task rules. You can choose something like every time data rise, create a new task, or every X days/weeks/months. These allow you to set up tasks to repeat automatically, ensuring your team always stays on top of important deadlines. Simply select the automation that fits your needs. Now, once you set the automation, the next thing is customizing it. You can adjust the frequency, such as daily, weekly, or monthly, and add any additional conditions or filters to match your workflow. You might even want to customize the notifications so your team gets reminded about upcoming tasks. Customizing the step can help you avoid clutter and keep things as streamlined as possible. The sixth thing is testing the automation. Once you've set it up, it's time to make sure it works as intended. Go ahead and let a few tasks run their course and see if everything gets created automatically as you planned. If something seems off, just go back and tweak your settings. Now, Monday.com has some solid features for recurring tasks, but let's talk about why it might not be the best fit for everyone. For starters, while the task automation features are great, they can get a little clunky and hard to navigate, especially if you're dealing with a lot of tasks. Additionally, Monday.com's automation rules aren't as flexible as some of the competition when it comes to task customization, so there may be limitations that require more manual work. But here's the kicker: there are alternatives that do it better. The video description has a link to get an exclusive and extended free trial to a competitor that's even more powerful for recurring task management. This software streamlines automation in a way Monday.com can't quite match, giving you better flexibility and smoother integrations. By using our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Plus, I'll mention some amazing alternatives that may suit your goals even better, and they also offer free trials. So, don't miss out. Check it out now.